In this brief video, we'll see how legal and other users want to be able to search for documents and emails in SharePoint Online. Legal users spend a lot of time in Microsoft Office, particularly in Outlook and in Word. So they want to be able to search for documents and emails in SharePoint Online while they continue to work in those familiar applications. Here's the macro view pane in search mode. We're doing a keyword search across the whole Office 365 tenancy for all documents that contain the word SMART. Here's our search results. If we click on a search result, we see a formatted preview of that result. We can also right-click in order to open that result from SharePoint, or to send it as an attachment to a new email. In addition to searching for documents and emails based on their content, legal users also need to be able to combine metadata criteria into their search. Let's look for all Word documents that contain SMART, or all documents that are checked out to me. We've done some searches in Outlook, now let's do some in Microsoft Word. The macro view dialog that appears when we click Open from SharePoint allows us to use search mode as well. Let's perform that same search as we recently performed in Outlook. Again, we can get formatted previews of a search result and open the result from SharePoint Online into Word. Let's go back into Outlook and this time try an email search across the whole 365 tenancy for all emails where the automatically recorded to attribute contains null. And narrow our results to show only those emails where the body or an attachment contains the word called. Something else that users want to be able to do is to right-click on a result and be navigated to the area in SharePoint where that result is located. Looks like it's in the High Growth Fund matter. I can now filter so that I see just that particular email, view it as an emails view, and even open it from SharePoint back into Outlook. Sometimes legal users need to be able to restrict the scope of their search to a particular area of the SharePoint Online store. We're right-clicking the Matters library for Atlas Funds Management, this time in Macro View DMF Explorer, and using Search This Location. The yellow bar tells us that the scope of our search is restricted. We now see many fewer documents when we search for all documents containing SMART. Legal users want to be able to save their searches so that they can conveniently perform them again in the future. MacroView lets you do this by adding a search as a favorite. This favorite search is called Shoesmith's Case Study. It finds an individual document with a particular document ID. Here's a formatted preview. We can right-click to open that document from SharePoint. If we right-click our favorite search and show the search criteria, we jump back into the search mode so that we can see the particular criteria which we used to find this document. This screen shows that the MacroView search type list is highly extensible. We've added a Matter Documents search which allows users to search by criteria which are relevant to legal matters. This ability to customize the list of search types is a very popular aspect of the MacroView software. For more information about searching for documents in SharePoint Online, contact MacroView using these details.